Devendra Fadnavis, the political stalwart who rose from humble beginnings to become a key figure in Maharashtra politics, is set to become Chief Minister, a position he has held twice before. The 54-year-old leader, whose career has been marked by a blend of resilience and strategic maneuvering, is positioned to lead the state for the third time following a decisive showing of the BJP in the November 20th Assembly polls and his election as leader of the state BJP legislature party on Wednesday. Fadnavis's political journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From serving as an obscure corporator to becoming the youngest mayor of Nagpur, he has strengthened his status as a prominent leader within his party. Notably, he is only the second Brahmin to serve as Chief Minister of Maharashtra following the Shiv Sena's Manohar Joshi.
या निमित्ताने देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मोदीजींचे मी मनापासून आभार मानेन की माझ्यासारख्या बूथचा कार्यकर्ता म्हणून ज्याने काम चालू केलंय, वर्गाचा अध्यक्ष म्हणून काम चालू केलंय, अशा एका कार्यकर्त्याला या सर्वोच्च पदापर्यंत 3 वेळा माननीय मोदीजींनी या ठिकाणी बसवलं.
Son of Jansangh and later BJP leader late Gangadhar Fadnavis, whom his fellow Nagpur politician and former BJP chief Nitin Gadkari calls his political guru, Devendra cut his teeth in politics at a young age when he joined the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, the students' wing of RSS, in 1989. At 22, he became a corporator in the Nagpur civic body and its youngest mayor in 1997 at the age of 27. Fadnavis contested his first assembly election in 1999 and won. There was no looking back for him as he won 3 subsequent assembly elections. He retained his Nagpur Southwest seat comfortably in the last month's election.
वैसे तो वो 21 साल का था, जब भी 21 साल को होके 6 महीने हुए थे जब भी वो पहले बार कारपोरेटर बना, तो उसका तो पूरा जीवन ही राजनीति से शुरू हुआ और पिछले बार भी वो मुख्यमंत्री बन गया था. अभी इस बार क्या हम आशा रखते हैं कि इस बार भी मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा. जिज्ञासु तो थे, उनके पिताजी की जब मीटिंगें रहती थी तो वो हमेशा हाजिर रहता था वहाँ, सुनता था इनका क्या चल रहा है, उसको बहुत जिज्ञासा रहती. तो पानी देने के बहाने वो उनके सब में मिलता था.
Unlike many leaders across the political spectrum in Maharashtra, Fadnavis has remained untainted by accusations of corruption. Among the most articulate Maharashtra politicians, Fadnavis is also credited with pushing the previous Congress NCP government into a corner over the alleged irrigation scam. Even after a significant loss in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, he played a pivotal role in shaping the seat-sharing arrangement between the BJP and Shinde's faction. His tenure in the last 2.5 years as Deputy Chief Minister saw a marked resurgence, and the Assembly election results of November 23rd came as the much-awaited cherry on the cake.
सुरुवातीच्या 2.5 वर्षांमध्ये ज्या प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनं आपल्याला त्रास देण्यात आला, आपल्या आमदारांना त्रास देण्यात आला, नेत्यांना त्रास देण्यात आला, अशाही परिस्थितीमध्ये मला या गोष्टीचा अभिमान आहे की 2.5 वर्षात एकही आमदार आपल्याला सोडून गेला नाही. सगळे आमदार सगळे नेते संघर्ष करत होते आणि त्या संघर्षामुळेच 2022 साली पुन्हा आपलं सरकार तयार झालं आणि त्यातूनच आज पुन्हा एकदा पूर्ण बहुमत आपल्या महायुतीला प्रचंड बहुमत हे महायुतीला मिळालं आणि आपल्या.
Fadnavis's career has thus far been defined by resilience, adaptability and strategic insight. His ability to adapt and make tactical decisions could prove crucial for him and his party in the coming days.
आणि अर्थातच तुम्ही सगळे लोक आहात म्हणून मी इथे आहे. तुम्ही नसतात तर मी इथे नसतो. त्याच्यामुळे तुमचे सगळ्यांचे मनपूर्वक आभार मानत असताना पुढची वाट ही आपल्याला अपेक्षा पूर्ण करण्याकरता संघर्षाची आहे. आपल्याला अपेक्षा पूर्ण करायच्या आहेत. त्यामुळे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना आपलं महायुतीचं सरकार आहे, या सरकारमध्ये एक दिलाने आपल्या सगळ्या मित्रांना सोबत घेऊन आणि प्रसंगी जेव्हा इतकं मोठं मॅन्डेट असतं त्यावेळी सगळ्या गोष्टी सगळ्यांच्या मनाच्या आपल्याला पूर्ण करता येत नाहीत.
The election for the Legislative Assembly for the state of Maharashtra took place on November 20th in a single phase, and the results were announced on November 23rd. The Mahayuti alliance achieved a landslide victory, with BJP getting 132 seats, the Shiv Sena faction led by Eknath Shinde winning 57, and NCP faction led by Ajit Pawar getting 41 seats.